Alright, good morning class. Today we're going to talk about unit conversion. To start, let's pretend that I'm working at In-N-Out Burger. Alright, and I make a beautiful wage of $10 an hour. I'm sitting there working at the register and I'm thinking, okay, I'm making $10 an hour. I want to envision for every minute that's passing by how much money I'm getting into my pocket. I want to know, if I'm making $10 an hour, how many cents am I making on the minute? Right? And how would I go about that? And for that, we're going to employ some unit conversion. So for that, we're always going to start out by writing what we have. And what do we have? $10 for every 1 hour. And what is our desired unit?
Cents per minute.
Cents per minute. Thank you. And for the cents, I'm going to use this magical cent sign. Okay. Now when we do unit conversion, we're going to do this magical thing called multiplying by 1. And the beauty is when we multiply something by 1, are we actually changing its value at all? No. Fran, when we multiply 7 by 1, what do we get?
7.
Yenny, when we multiply 9 by 1, what do we get?
9.
Matthew, when we multiply 8 by 2, what do we get?
16.
Good, just checking. Alright, so let's begin. We have $10 for 1 hour. And now I'm going to multiply by a fraction that's equal to 1. I remember I want to go from dollar to cents. You guys tell me how many cents are in $1?
100.
100 cents in a dollar, that's right. So we see we have our dollar on top. Now I want to put this dollar sign on the bottom in this next fraction. And you'll see why when we get to the end. So I'm going to put this dollar here. You said 100 cents in a dollar? That means 100 cents. Okay, so now we've taken care of the dollar part. And we want to go for the time part. I want to go from hour to minutes. Does anyone know how many minutes are in an hour?
60.
That's right. Good job. And so if the hour is on bottom here, is the hour going to go on top or bottom? Going off what we did with the dollar sign here. Yenny?
Top.
The top. Excellent. So we have 1 hour over 60 minutes. And remember, like we said earlier, all these fractions are just 1, right? 100 cents is $1. If the thing on top is the same as the thing on the bottom, then this fraction is just 1. And so we're keeping this value overall the same. And that's very important in unit conversion. You don't want your wages changing as you're going from one unit to the next. So now we have all these beautiful fractions laid out. And watch what's going to happen. Do you guys remember from basic fractions that if you have a number on top like 3, that's the same as a number on the bottom like 3, then you can cancel them out? Alright, check it out. I have a dollar sign over here, and I also have a dollar sign over here. And so we can cross those out. Like this. Oh wow. Oh wow. And what else do we have? Fran, what are the units we have? On the top and the bottom.
Hours.
Hours, right? I see an hour here. I see an hour here. And that leaves us with, oh, what do you know? Cents and minutes. So I'm just going to multiply these numbers together. So I have 10 times 100 cents over 1 times 60 minutes. And that gives me 1,000 over 60 cents per minute. And you can plot that into your calculator to get a number with a decimal in it. And that's going to be your answer in cents per minute. And so when you're working at In-N-Out, you can imagine that every minute that passes by, you have 1,000 over 60 cents falling into your pocket each minute.
Nice.
All right, thank you, class. All right, class. Now, in order to fully take in what we just covered today, we're going to learn a nice little chant. Because here at Breakthrough, if we're not chanting, then we're not learning. Now, this chant is going to go to the beat of our ever-favorite spirit check. Here's how it goes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write down what you have, then write down what you like. Multiply by 1 to your units. Look right. Top goes down, down goes up. Look at that, we're in luck. Cross it out. cross it out. This is what I'm talking about. Even if you think you're done, always double check for fun. Think you're good? Way to go. You are awesome. Yeah, breakthrough.